If the ball is in the goal, and this is the last round, then we'll need to tell the user that the game is over, and to reset all important names so that clicking go again will start a new set of 5 rounds. To report the current status to the user, we'll use this pattern. We'll show the total time using the same format we used before, 1 decimal place. And we can display this by using the time display label in the usual way. Remember that the time for the 5th round has already been added to total time. So total time does give the time for all 5 rounds together. Finally, since this is the last round, we need to set round counter back to 0. As we'll see in just a moment, this will be enough to reset the game for a new set of 5 rounds. But first, notice that total time is changed here, and round counter is changed here. These are both global, so we'll need to say so up at the top. Now again, let's check to see what happens when round counter is set to 0. If the user clicks go, that results in a call to the start game function. At the beginning of start game, round counter will be increased from 0 to 1. And since the game now detects that it is in the first round, the total time will be set back to 0. So in fact, setting round counter to 0 at the end of the 5th round is enough to reset everything important for the game. Now let's test to make sure that the program is working correctly. We're in round 1, so the elapsed time for this round is the same as the total time. Here's round 2. Now we see the elapsed time for this round and the total elapsed time for the last round plus also this round. I'm going to pause the recording now for a moment to score the last 3 goals. Here we are a few seconds later, and I've scored all 5 goals. I get here the final message showing that the game is over and that my total time is only 19 seconds. Clicking go again should start a new set of 5 rounds. Let's check to make sure that it does. Again, I'm back in round 1. Here's the time for this round, and it's the same as the total time. Everything appears to be working correctly.